Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lexus RX 350. First, let's establish the fundamental proportions. Start by sketching a large rectangular box, which will form the main body of the vehicle. Then, add a slightly smaller, angled box on top to represent the cabin. Mark 4 points for the wheels, ensuring they are evenly spaced. A light central line will help maintain symmetry throughout your drawing. Now, let's refine the body lines and add key features. Carefully sketch the iconic Lexus spindle grille, which is a prominent design element. Next, outline the sleek, angular headlights and taillights. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and door handles, ensuring they are proportionate to the vehicle's size. Define the subtle curves of the hood and fenders to give the car its characteristic shape. Moving on, we'll focus on the wheels and windows. Begin by drawing the circular wheel wells, then carefully sketch the wheels inside them. Pay attention to the rim design. A 5-spoke pattern is common for this model. Next, outline the windows, including the large windshield, side windows, and the rear window. Ensure all window lines flow smoothly with the cabin's overall angle, creating a realistic appearance. For our final slide, let's add the finishing touches and shading. Include smaller details such as roof rails, the exhaust pipes, and the Lexus emblems. Vary your line weights, using darker lines for edges and lighter lines for subtle curves to add depth. Apply gentle shading to create shadows under the car and highlights on reflective surfaces. Finally, carefully erase any remaining guidelines to present a polished drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.